Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and right now you are looking at my website, and as you'll see there are a lot of videos, and if you look down here there is a video where I said, hey YouTube, why can't you let us reuse cards? And in that video one of my favorite YouTubers, Bleem, shot me a quick note saying, hey, did you know that there is something called TubeBuddy? And I'll be honest, I did not know that TubeBuddy was out there, so I went and checked into TubeBuddy. It is a sweet little Chrome application that you can attach to your YouTube channel, and I have only used it for one day, but oh my gosh, the number of things that I am finding that make it useful, I just have to share. So let's check it out. So let's start like we're uploading a brand new video, and I'll show you where TubeBuddy fits into that. You still select your files just like you always did. I'm going to upload this one from Paladao, even though I'm going to put it private because I don't really need to upload it. I just want to show you the cool things that TubeBuddy makes available to you. So one of the first things you notice is the checklist over here on the right, like write a compelling title. Obviously this is not a good title. But if I change it to Sweet Lapel Mic for less than $20, that is a compelling title. The next thing to note is a complete description, but I'm going to do the tags first. These are my default tags, but obviously this has nothing to do with Tinkercad or 3D printed, or even design, or even STEM, so I'm going to get rid of those. Down below in the tag tools, these are the amazing ones that you can just click and add, and all of a sudden you are hitting all of these categories that people are really searching with Google. Find all the ones that you think are quality. Longer ones are awesome because it teaches people how to set them up, and that is what they type in their browsers quite often. I like that the HLModTech, that's actually my channel, getting a bunch or a nicer score. And then I'm going to do budget microphone, and I'll even do budget microphone for YouTube channels. It shows me that I've got 312 of my 500 characters. It's smart to get all 500 because the more ways your video can be found, the better. Now that I've got all these cool searches, I'm going to go up here and type my description. And just make sure that you use some of these cool words that you learned in your description. I'm going to now check these off as the descriptive tags have been added, and I've added my complete description. And now I'm going to use my next feature that I think is super sweet. If you scroll all the way down, you can use their awesome thumbnail generator to grab a still frame of your video. Just when it's playing, hit pause. I'm going to get rid of that, which pops up, and then you can use the adjust video frame to find one where you've got the part that you would like. And then once you're happy, which I never put myself in the titles, but I will for this example, you can add your cool thumbnail pieces to it. If you've built templates, you can simply grab one of your old ones and put the cool words on in no time. Here you can see I'm just relabeling. When you're happy with your new design, I save it as a layer, hit continue, it double checks to make sure it's right, and then I can save and publish. I'm going to hit close on that and check off the little box for create a thumbnail. You can use all of these or just some of these, but either way, you can see that TubeBuddy has a lot of features that makes managing a channel just a little bit easier. Alrighty friends, so that was just a glimpse of the power that's available to you if you sign up to be part of TubeBuddies. Please check them out, see what level of plan you can work with that makes it better using your channel. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.